Keto Kings and Queens, we have 3-ingredient peanut butter cookies that you have to try. Go ahead and grab 1 cup of your chilled natural peanut butter. If you don't chill it, it will be runny. Next, eggs. Add in 1 egg for harder cookies, 2 eggs for chewy. I added 2. Next, add in your keto sweetener. I have monk fruit. Add in 1/2 to 1 cup depending on the brand and the sweetness that you would like. I also melted mine down a little so that it would mix in more evenly. Once you spoon them out, you get a decent amount on that pan. You want to go ahead and pop those in the oven for exactly 10 minutes, 11 minutes max. Once you pull them out, you'll have this nice golden crust around the bottom. And once they're cool enough to touch, go ahead and put them into your container. The first time I made these, I used 1 egg and they came out crunchy. So this time I used 2 and I absolutely am in love. I went ahead and got me a little cup of almond milk and y'all, look at this cookie. Please comment for more.